Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the platform. SwissBorg offers a user-friendly platform for managing digital assets. The platform, accessible via a website and mobile apps, aims to simplify cryptocurrency investment and make it more accessible to a wider audience. A key feature of SwissBorg is its smart engine, designed to optimize trading by connecting to various exchanges and finding the best price execution for users. This theoretically minimizes slippage and potentially enhances returns. They also provide a yield-earning feature, allowing users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. The interest rates offered can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and market conditions. SwissBorg also has its own utility token, CHSB, which offers various benefits within the ecosystem, including discounted trading fees and premium account features. The platform's user interface is generally considered intuitive, making it relatively easy for newcomers to navigate and execute trades. SwissBorg offers a tiered membership program, based on the amount of CHSB held, which unlocks additional perks such as higher yield rates and community voting rights. It's important to note that while SwissBorg strives to create a secure environment, investing in cryptocurrencies inherently carries risks, and users should conduct their own thorough research before committing any funds. The platform's focus on user experience and its suite of features, including the smart engine and yield-earning options, make it an attractive option for those interested in exploring the world of cryptocurrency. However, potential users should carefully consider the associated risks, research the platform's fee structure, and understand the role of the CHSB token within the SwissBorg ecosystem before making any investment decisions. They offer several different account tiers, each with its own set of benefits and requirements. Remember to always exercise caution and due diligence when engaging with any cryptocurrency platform. SwissBorg's commitment to transparency and community engagement is also a notable aspect, with regular updates and communication provided to users. Consider exploring their resources and community forums to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the platform and its offerings. The availability of educational materials and support resources contributes to the platform's user-friendly approach, making it suitable for both beginner and more experienced crypto investors. Ultimately, whether SwissBorg is the right platform for you will depend on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance.